Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a fat burner belt. First, unroll your belt and ensure it is clean and ready for use. These belts are typically made from neoprene and are designed to fit snugly around your midsection. They work by increasing thermal activity, which encourages more sweating in the targeted area during physical activity. This can help with temporary water weight reduction and a more defined appearance. Next, let's talk about proper placement. Wrap the belt around your waist, ensuring it covers your entire stomach area, from just below your ribs to above your hips. Use the adjustable closure, usually hook-and loop fasteners, to secure it. It should feel snug and supportive, but never uncomfortably tight. You should be able to breathe deeply and move freely, allowing for effective exercise without discomfort. Now, when should you use your fat burner belt? It's most effective during physical activity, like cardio exercises, weightlifting, or even brisk walking. Begin by wearing it for about 30 minutes during your workout. As you get accustomed to it, you can gradually extend the duration to up to 1 hour. Remember, the belt is a tool to enhance your exercise, not a substitute for a healthy diet and regular physical activity. Finally, let's discuss care and maintenance. After each use, it's important to hand wash your fat burner belt with mild soap and cold water. This helps remove sweat and keeps it hygienic. Allow it to air dry completely before storing it to prevent mildew and maintain its elasticity. For optimal results, remember that the belt is a supplement to a healthy lifestyle, including a nutritious diet and regular exercise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.